Today we're bringing you something really special here on Amelia Island, a gorgeous move-in ready townhome.
And the best part, private beach access, beautiful community pool, and all that summer beach charm.
This is 96109 Hanging Moss Drive, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with over 2,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space.
And because it's an end unit, you get extra windows, extra light, and extra privacy, making it feel like a single-family home. Step inside and you'll notice the bright open layout. Natural light pours in from every angle, and the open kitchen and dining area allows for everyday living and entertaining.
And check out this kitchen, oversized island, tons of countertop space, gas cooktop. It's truly the heart of the home.
The primary suite is a true retreat. It's privately tucked away with a spacious bathroom and walk-in closet.
Double sinks, a large walk-in shower, everything you need for a relaxing start or end of your day. And upstairs you'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bath.
Plenty of room for friends and family when they come to visit, and trust us, they will.
Living at the Enclave means you have access to incredible amenities, the resort-style pool, direct beach path, gated security, and your minutes from golf, dining, and shopping.
So whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation getaway, or a rental investment, this townhome checks all the boxes.
And if you want to make island living your permanent daily life, give us a call, schedule a tour today.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more Amelia Island home tours.